I hope you're ready for this one. It's gonna suck, I'll be honest with you. 30 seconds of high intensity, 90 seconds of rest. Follow me, let's get started. 6 rounds, we're gonna be done in 10 and a half minutes. It's only 3 minutes of actual activity. We can do this. Are you ready? I'm running. As hard as you can go. Let's go. Stick with me. 30 seconds doesn't seem like a lot, but you wait. Halfway there, come on. Pick it up, do not quit. Come on, almost. "90 seconds of recovery. Active recovery. Move. If you can know why you're doing this, it'll make it a lot easier. Keep moving. You can stretch, just be active. Why? HIIT workouts are so amazing. It's about readiness. We're not training to be Olympians, most of us, but we're training for life. I want to be able to run up a couple flights of stairs. I want to carry my groceries home, no problem. I want to run to a bus if I need to. Carry my kid around. Know your why. Know why you want to be physically fit. If you can get 6 rounds of this in, you're going to keep burning fat, increase your metabolism throughout the entire day. Again, if you can't do the full 30 seconds, just do what you can. Pick a time you're going to go, stick with it, and rest. It's the recovery that really shows where you're at. So if you need longer to recover, pause the video, that's fine. But get ready, we're going again. As hard as you can go. Let's go, 30 seconds. Round 2, baby. I think I can. I think I can. Halfway, you can do it, come on. Come on, 5 seconds, we do anything for 5 seconds. Come on. 90 seconds. Do your best to keep moving. Focus on your breathing. Focus on why you're doing it. When you know why you do anything, the how and the what, no problem, I can take care of that. Why? When we do these high intensity training workouts, we increase our blood flow. Pushes all the junk out of our bodies. Actually aids in I gotta catch my breath. Trying to articulate what I want to say. It aids in the aging process. It slows aging down. Skin health. More blood flow. More of the junk gets flushed out. You ready? Round 3. Come on. Own the suck. Let's go. No toxic thoughts. Just move. Come on, keep it up. It's high intensity, come on. It's supposed to be hard. Don't quit. 5 seconds, come on. Yeah. We're halfway there. Easy peasy, right? 30 seconds, it doesn't seem like a long time. Move, stretch if you like. Do this a couple times a week. For something to be said, you know, I love movement. Gentle, light movement in the morning. Just to boost energy, increase our mood is amazing. But to really elevate our heart rate, get the blood pumping, oxygen flowing, is so critical for our health and for readiness, ready for life. Do this a couple times a week, yes. Outside, find a hill. 30 seconds, as hard as you can up the hill. 90 seconds coming down. 6 rounds, it's 10.5 minutes. Only 3 minutes of actual activity. It is the best exercise, the best workout that you can do. You can do it on a stationary bike, you can do jumping jacks, lots of different ways you could do it. For me, running, it's the best. 5 seconds, come on. Everything we got, all our power. Let's go, come on. High intensity, come on. Go a little longer than you think you can. Do a little bit better than you think possible. 15 seconds, come on. I think I can. Harder. We're almost there. Come on, don't quit. Oh, mama. Yes, own your suffering, or it'll own you. The more discomfort I seek physically, the more comfort I create mentally. More patience, more empathy. When I'm physically working out, and something like this, oh, you're gonna sleep so well tonight. You're gonna get a burn for hours after this too. This is sort of like laying a bed of coals, start to eat, it's just fuel. And you're gonna burn that fuel so much more readily, boost metabolism, weight loss, human growth hormone increase, just for really 3 minutes of activity. And you're gonna get a burn throughout the day. You can do fewer cycles. The recovery really is, it shows your fitness level. So it's taking you longer to recover. Pause it, take that time. As you notice, the recovery gets less and less. You're getting fitter and fitter. Oh, we got a guest. Here we go. 30 seconds, let's go. If you can do it with somebody else to push you, all the better. Come on, man, let's go. Hard. Halfway there, come on. Hard, hard, hard. Yes. Keep going. 5 seconds, come on. As hard as you can go. Don't stop. Oh, yes. Keep moving. Keep moving. Active rest. Active recovery. Try to catch my breath. Without question, if you can do everything and anything, doesn't matter what it is, with the people you care about, it will impact your health so much more dramatically. The longest lived people in the world have the best relationships, full stop, the happiest, healthiest, longest lived people, best relationships. Do the things with other people, especially when you can push each other in a hard workout like this. Happy days. You can see I'm struggling. I work it every day, and this is still really hard. And that's awesome. We want to seek discomfort. We got to push ourselves every once in a while. It makes for an amazing life. I really got one more round. Then we're done. Happy days. Ooh. Yeah, pull that back a bit. There, I think we're in the frame. Beautiful. Come on. Best effort right now. Finish as strong as you started. Let's go. 30 seconds. Come on. Do not quit. Do not quit on yourself. Prove to yourself you're somebody that shows up. Consistent to your habits. Come on. Let's go. Halfway. Come on. The hardest you've gone all day. Right now. Yes. I can't see the timer, but don't quit. A little longer. Why not? A little longer. Yes. Oh. That's it. That's the workout. How amazing is that? Look what we just accomplished in 10.5 minutes. A couple times a week. Ooh, every day. Ooh. Find other ways to do it. We do it with jumping jacks, push-ups. Be creative.
With bands.
Oh, bands, baby.
This made it suck.
We both work out every day. And this is hard. We've got to push ourselves every once in a while. Prove to yourself. Show up. I'm accountable. That's amazing.
Yeah, I only did 2 rounds. But my rounds count more because I have resistance.
There you go.
No, that was tough. That was real tough. In a good way. Challenges simply expose truths. Do you want it or do you not? Do you have what it takes or do you not? Whew.
Know your why. Makes it so much easier. And it's the simplest things. Readiness for life. Just being able to get through your day so you can enjoy every moment, every day to the maximum possible. Build this kind of fitness is going to do just that. Well done. Thanks to Coach Stokes, inspiring us, helping us out. If you can do it with a friend, by all means, keep turning up. I'll see you again real soon. Well done, yes. Goodbye.